Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, the 28th of October. A little cold and wet day today, but hey, weekend looks good. Let's get in there and take a look at some of the Skycam shots around the network this morning at the insane hour of 5 a.m. Look at the Birmingham Skycam looking north from the Daniel Building. You see those low clouds hanging over the city. Head up north, that's the Huntsville Skycam. And from Tuscaloosa. Things are pretty quiet now, but the rain will begin in just a bit. There's that little wave over Texas. That'll be coming in on top of the colder air that followed the cold front that passed through late yesterday. And those observations are taken at 5 o'clock, and I bet you they're not going to change all day today. We're just going to sit there. Birmingham's sitting at 54. We might be sitting at 54 at 2 o'clock today. And it may be even a degree or two cooler than that. And here comes the rain. This is the radar at 5:08 a.m. Good rain moving into Marion and Lamar counties. And again, we'll just have that during the day today. We do believe most of it will be over in time for the high school football games tonight. There's the overall rain for the next 5 days, valid through Tuesday evening of next week at 7 o'clock. Not much. In fact, the latest GFS and NAM data very consistent, showing about a quarter inch of rain here. So certainly not going to be a heavy rain event. And after today, we'll be dry for a while. Peek on Rena, the tropical storm. And boy, the southerly winds are tearing that thing up. It is a disorganized system now. Peak winds at 50. And this thing is going to kind of sit there on the coast of Mexico and move back to the south-southwest. You know, initially the idea was that this was going to turn east and maybe be on the north coast of Cuba late in the weekend. No way. These our upper air pattern will force it back to the south as a weak system. And again, obviously, no problem here. So let's look at the modeling here. This is the GFS, the OZ run, valid at 7 o'clock local time this evening. There's your trough down below that. Rain on the way out. Let's get high resolution. What do you say? This is the RPM, valid at 1 o'clock today. And you can see a little batch of light rain coming through here. Not much. And then by 7 o'clock this evening, the bulk of the rain is out. It would be south of a line from near Roanoke to Verbena to Monroeville. And again, there could be a little bit of drizzle maybe behind that. But for most of the high school football games tonight, rain will not be a big problem. Then by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, it's out of here. And ooh, look at the snow over the Great Smokies. That's awesome. Looks like some of the high terrain up there could see a bit of snow to start the weekend, but probably not a whole lot. Back to the GFS. This is valid at 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. And it's going to be a sunny day and a cool day. The latest GFS is showing a high of only 61. The NAM tomorrow is showing a high of only 59. So we probably need to back the numbers down. Those thickness values have come down. So a very cool day. Sunday, mid-60s after we start the day in the 30s. Maybe some frost. In fact, a good chance of frost in the morning with a freeze possible for the colder valleys. Monday of next week, we're dry. Nice day there. Highs in the mid-60s. There's Tuesday and Wednesday. And ooh, look at the cold front coming in from the north and west. We'll go to Thursday. Very strong trough now. You know, the model has been very inconsistent. You know, one day it's in there, the next day it's not. Well, it's back. That would be rotating in here really Wednesday night. We'll look at the surface chart by Thursday evening. Any rain with that feature is gone. There's very little moisture to work with, so I guess we might consider some risk of a shower Wednesday night if this is right. And then Thursday, we get back into some drier and cooler air. Maybe highs dropping back into the upper 50s. And then Friday, a week from today, dry. Look at that big bomb up there over the northern tip of New York State. Goodness, I think it's 964 millibars. Wow. Just for the fun of it, we'll check the GFS. The NAM had suggested maybe a shower Wednesday night. Well, this is the GFS valid Friday night suggesting a shower. So, a little model madness out there at the end of next week. There might be a shower at some point Wednesday night through Friday, but both models not suggesting a big deal. We'll check the end of the forecast. November 12th. That doesn't look good. I got a split flow with a very deep trough in the southern branch, and that would suggest a potential for a severe weather setup there if this is right. And we all know this is tornado season, the fall tornado season, so we'll keep an eye on that. That's the first time we've seen that. We're just looking for consistency out here. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great Friday, and God bless.